best thing I ever learned in life is to move without the crowd. Albert Einstein once said,
The one who follows the crowd will usually get no further than the crowd. The one who walks alone is likely to find themselves in places no one has ever been before.
So, who's the face behind the screen? The name is I'm 21 this year and I like coffee. I used to have long hair, but I cut it short. Sometimes you gotta keep it fresh, right? I'm all about music and art. Always jamming on my guitar and turning blank pages into something worth sharing. These are a few of my old sketches. And when you look outside, beach was our spot. Me and the crew relaxing and enjoying the moments. Traveling is a vibe. I got some unforgettable memories and the kind of vibe you wish you could hit the replay on. And when I'm chilling, I play video games or scrolling Pinterest for ideas. I'm a passionate reader, working hard to learn new strategies, learn from mistakes, and stay persistent to achieve the big win. Life is a trip, it's you hard, but every L is just a setup for the next W. Never give up.
Move low key, but I really know you with it. Why you nonchalant when you really got them digits? I'm obsessed. I'm like